Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create events, manage countdowns, and showcase them beautifully on your WordPress website, today's video is for you. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to create events in WordPress using the WP Event Manager plugin, step by step. By the end, you'll have a fully functional event countdown right on your site that looks clean, professional, and ready to attract visitors. So stay with me till the end because I'll make this process super simple and beginner friendly. Let's start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. First, go to your website's homepage and log in. You can usually find the login button at the top right corner of your screen. For convenience, select Continue with Google. This makes signing in quick and secure. Just choose your Google account and you'll be logged into your WordPress dashboard in seconds. Once you're in, it's time to enter editing mode. Look for the quick links section on your dashboard. Under that, click Edit Site Now. If you have multiple sites connected to your account, you'll see a list. Simply choose the website you want to modify. Now comes the fun part, adding your event countdown feature. Inside the site editor, click the plus icon in the top left corner. This opens a menu where you can add new blocks or elements. In the search bar that appears, type Event Countdown. You'll see the Event Countdown block provided by WP Event Manager. Click it to add it directly to your page. Once the countdown is added, you'll need to configure it properly. Start by giving your event a clear and engaging title, something like Annual Tech Conference 2025 or Music Fest Countdown. Then set the exact event date and time. This is crucial because the countdown will automatically calculate and display the remaining time leading up to your event. Take a quick look at the preview to ensure everything appears as expected. The timer should be ticking down in real time. When you're happy with how it looks, move to the upper right corner and click Save. That's it. Your event countdown is now live on your website. You've successfully created a fully functional event section using WP Event Manager. It's perfect for promoting webinars, launches, concerts, or any upcoming occasion you want your visitors to get excited about. And that's how easy it is to create events in WordPress with WP Event Manager. With just a few clicks, you can add professional countdowns that keep your audience informed and engaged. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more tools to take your WordPress site to the next level.